Yeah, I got the juice. Whip game cool, make them look like cool. Always play cool, that's the biggest rule. Forget what they doing, keep on doing.
A year ago, I saw an introduction tutorial by Orange83. He edited that tutorial with Premiere Pro. I will encourage you to visit his channel. He's an amazing editor. I will leave the link to his channel on the description box below. He got this idea from this movie. I was able to replicate that trick utilizing KineMaster and other tools. Let me show you how you can do exactly the same if you follow all the steps in this video. Paying attention to every detail is key to accomplishing this trick, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Without any further ado, let's go on there. Okay, so besides KineMaster, you are going to need two additional tools. One is going to be Remove Background and Picsart. And I know that you can remove the background with Picsart. I just find it easier to do with Remove Background, and I will show you later on what I mean. Now open KineMaster and tap on the plus button and select 16:9 if this video is for YouTube. Next, you're going to bring from your library the clip that you want to work with. Now you're going to find the part of the clip that you want to use to introduce your character. When I recorded this video, I had my wife looking at the camera at a specific point so she could have that connection with the audience, just like in the movie. Now you're going to tap on the scissors button, then you're going to tap on split a playhead. Tap the capture button, then tap on capture and save. Now you're going to go to remove background, you're going to tap on upload image, and you're going to grab the image that you just captured, and remove background will do the rest. And this is why I say that I find it easier to use remove background for this purpose than Picsart. Now tap on download and go to your library. Now you're going to tap on the image that you just downloaded and you're going to send it to Picsart. You're going to tap on the border button and you're going to decrease the size of your image border to 7 or 8. Tap on the arrow, tap on done, and tap on save. Now you're going to go back to KineMaster. You're going to tap on layer, tap on media, and then you're going to tap on Picsart and you're going to bring the image that you just fixed. Now you're going to make that image the same size as the one on your main clip. So using the keyframe, you are going to mark the point where your character introduction will begin and it's going to end. Then utilizing two fingers, you are going to slightly enlarge and twist your image to create motion. Next, you are going to blur the background and you are going to turn it black and white. So tap on layer, tap on effect and go all the way down until you find basic effects. Tap on Gaussian blower and send it to the back. You tap on these three dots over here on the upper left corner. Now you're going to tap on settings and you're going to increase the blur intensity to 5. Now tap on your main clip, tap on adjustment and decrease the vibrance to -100. Okay, so now you are going to add the splash paint to the background and the titles. You can buy some from stockfootage.com or you can try to find some free to use images from Google. So tap on layer, tap on media and bring to your timeline your splash paint. Tap on the chroma key button and then you're going to change the color to white to make it disappear. Now you're going to send the splash backwards, not to the back, because you want it in front of the blur, not behind it. So same as before, enlarge your image utilizing two fingers. And same as before, utilizing the keyframe, mark the beginning and the end of your clip to add motion. Now you're gonna tap on layer, tap on text and name your subject. Design your text in whatever way it suits your story. And the same as before, utilizing the keyframe, mark the beginning and the end of your text to add motion to it. Now all you need to do is to add the music that you think can better help you to tell your story. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, activate that notification bell, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you next time underwater.